Alright, so what's up guys, and today in the house we have the Realme Buds Q2, which were recently launched I think yesterday, which was 30th of June, and I got it delivered today, the 1st of July, and I'm pretty excited to check them out because of the features that they provide in the given price range of 2500 rupees. So yeah, this is the box itself, and I got a couple of more things in the box. So I got a rupee 1 hand sanitizer in the box, and also a Realme keeping you safe delivering guide, I think. So yeah, apart from the earphones, I got these two things in the box. So coming on to the actual box itself, on the front, as you can see, it says Realme Buds Q2. If I flip it on to the left here, it says Realme, it says active noise cancellation. It has a 28 hour of total playback, and it also has the 10mm dynamic bass booster driver. So I think the driver is going to be really good. On the right it says 88 ms super low latency, which is the gaming mode. Here it says transparency mode, and then we have the dual mic noise cancellation here. On the back, it's nothing special. It just tells you to download the Realme Link App to pair and to actually control the earbuds themselves. So let's quickly unbox them. I have my good old SIM card ejector tool here. So I'll just quickly pull the earbuds out. There we go. And okay, the packaging is pretty good. For some reason, the earbuds or the Realme Buds are out of the box by default. That's pretty surprising. So I'll just pull the case off real quick and keep it aside here. I think the earbuds will also pop out, or no. Okay, so I'll have to pull the earbuds out, and I'll keep it aside. And then inside the box we have a couple of more things. The packaging, I'm not a huge fan of Realme, but I mean, it is what it is. Please, if anyone from Realme is listening, please do improve your packaging. Here we have some paperwork. We have the getting started guide, and I think this will also contain the warranty information. So I'll keep that aside real quick. Then we have a cable in the box, which is USB type A to type C, which is yellow in color. So that's pretty good, but the length, I would have preferred it to be a little longer than this. But anyway, I don't think people use the default ones given in the box, but it is a good spare cable if you want. Then we have the actual ear tips. If the default ones don't fit you, you can just swap them out with another pair. I'll keep it aside, and then I'll quickly peel the box here. Okay, feels pretty good. And yeah, let's see. I'll just quickly also peel off it says peel it off before use, so I'll peel it off. So the first impressions of the case here is it's pretty small, pretty sleek as well. I think it's the same if I compare it to my Mivi Duopods. So this is the Mivi case here, and as you can see, it is actually pretty similar. Even though the earbuds or the Realme Buds are smaller in size compared to the Mivi ones, but the case is still the same size here. As you can see, I would have preferred it to be a little smaller, but I mean, it's not big if I compare it to my AirPods here. As you can see, it's pretty small, but yeah, if I consider the size here, I would have liked it a bit smaller. Then we come on to the earbuds themselves. So these are the Realme Buds Q2 here. They are pretty small, and the touch area here is actually pretty huge, which I definitely do prefer because I do like a bigger touch area, which actually helps register the touch pretty significantly. So I like this. I'll just quickly keep the buds in the box, or in the case, I'm sorry, and just see how this goes, how this charges, or how this looks. So there we go. We have a green indicator on the bottom here, and it actually looks pretty good. As you can see, the indicator, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it did light up, and if I open it, it'll light up again. There we go. It looks pretty good, not gonna lie. It looks pretty sleek, and I'm pretty excited to test them out as well. So let's go ahead, let's bring our phone in and let's set this up. So one thing I forgot, that these earbuds have the Google Fast Pair thing. So as soon as I got the Android phone closer to the earbuds, I already got the option to connect over here. It's a bit buggy, but I'll just do that again. So there we go, we got the option over here, and then I'll just hit connect. Let's see. Let's see how quick this is. And it's connecting. And it's connected. It was that simple. So I'll just hit done real quick, and I'll quickly go into settings here. I'll go into Bluetooth, and there you go. It says Hardik's Realme Buds Q2. And if I just quickly tap on the settings here, let's see what all options we get. So we have the options of phone calls, media, and contact sharing. Other than this, we have nothing here on the default Bluetooth settings. But for the other settings, you will have to download the Realme Link app, which again I'll be linking in the description down below. So once you open the app, you will get all the other features related to the buds themselves. So okay, got it. And I'll have to, I think, sign into my account. So yeah, I did have to log into my Realme account, or if you don't have an account, create an account and then tap here, and there we go. It says the Realme Buds Q2 here. Tap here, and they're connected. And you then have all the options given here on your device. So if you see on the top, it says they're connected. We have the noise control option over here, which says noise cancellation, which is the ANC. Then we have the normal mode, and we have the transparency mode. You can switch here anytime you want. Then if you go down, we have the sound effects. Here we have the bass boost, we have the dynamic, and we have the bright, and we also have the volume enhancer over here. Then if you go down, we have the gaming mode. So every time before you game, make sure to turn the game mode on to get the low latency and no delays. And then if you go down, we have the auto answer, which is self-explanatory because it will automatically take calls for you. Then if you go into button settings, you can customize what the double tap or a single tap or a triple tap does. So you get quite a bit of a flexibility over here to customize anything you want. And under mode switching here, we can actually select what the double tap or triple tap does if you want to change the noise controls on your earbuds and not on the app. So what I'll do now is I'll give you guys a closer look at the earbuds themselves. But before that, I'll show you guys one thing, that if you open the case here, the earbuds connect themselves on the phone. There we go. And if you shut the case, it will auto disconnect. So that's a pretty neat feature that I definitely do like. And yeah, so taking a closer look at the earbuds. So here, as you can see, these are the earbuds themselves. On the back, there is this huge touch area to actually switch between songs or anything you want. On the bottom here, as you can see, we have the charging connector, and we have one of the mic here on this side. The other mic is on the back, which is right over here, as you can see. So there are two mics, and I'm guessing that the mic quality is going to be really good on the earbuds. And again, the ear cups, you can anytime swap these if these don't fit you. So yeah, that's the earbud, and let's quickly test how good they are. So I'll quickly put the earbuds in the ear. It's actually given on the bottom here that if it's a left or a right earbud. So make sure to check this and then put the earbuds in. Okay, so first impression is that they fit really good, and I am actually not able to hear anything outside from my voice. Let's see if I put this to normal. Okay, and transparency. Okay, so transparency mode is really good. I'm able to hear myself. It's like a robotic voice of myself, but I am able to hear myself speaking. If I then go back to noise cancellation, it actually says that you're on the noise cancellation mode on the earbud, and I can honestly not hear anything. Okay, so that's a good sign. That means they are working. So now let's quickly listen to some music and let's see how good they are. Okay, I'll turn up the volume real quick. There we go. I think the volume is a bit lower than I expected. The highest volume is a bit lower than I expected it to be. So yeah, I think I'm full. Yeah, the volume is full, but it's actually a little bit less. let's quickly switch to the transparency mode, and to do that all you have to do is tap and hold. I think tap and hold on both the earbuds. So yeah, touch and hold to switch to the different modes. So now I'll do that and you will see it switch from noise cancellation to transparency. It said, yeah, there we go, it switched to transparency mode. And now let's see how the music sounds. Still the same, but I am now able to hear everything that's going on in the background. You guys might not be able to hear it because of my mic, but yeah, I'll just quickly again switch back to active noise cancellation. There we go, it says noise cancelling. I mean, it said noise cancelling, and now everything is silent. That's pretty cool. And this is actually my first time trying out a actual noise cancelling earbuds, so I'm a bit taken aback because of how good it is. And yeah, the music is actually pretty good, not gonna lie. The audio is pretty good. I'll put it to the bass or the bass boost, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I got a feedback on the earbuds. Let's see how it goes. Okay, oh my god, okay. This actually did bump up the bass. Oh my god, I did not expect this thing from Realme. They are actually delivering on what they are promising. So let's quickly go again. Oh my god, it feels like you have two huge speakers on both sides of your face, and the bass is actually pretty insane. I'll quickly put it back to the dynamic mode, and let's see again. Yeah, it's normal now, and let's put it to the bright mode here, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I am not finding any difference between the bright and dynamic mode, but oh my god, the bass boost is crazy good, like crazy good. I think I'll put it to the bass boost all the time. Yeah, it's actually that good. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, I am out of words on how good Realme is delivering the feature that they are promising. Now let's quickly test out the audio or the mic quality of the earbuds. So there we go, I have the voice recorder app over here. I did install it right now, and I'll allow, and let's see how good the audio is. So this is how I sound from my professional microphone, and now I'll switch to the Realme Buds Q2. And this is how I sound using the Realme Buds Q2. You be the guest of, or you be the judge of how the audio quality is on the earbuds and if it's worth it or not. So yeah, that's the audio or the mic experience you'll get on the Realme Buds Q2. So yeah, let me know how the mic quality was on the earbuds. So now quickly test how good the double tap or triple tap works. So if I double tap on the right earbud, it plays the music. Double tap on the left again, it pauses the music. Now if I triple tap on the right earbud, it changed the song, as you can see. There we go. And then if I triple tap on the left earbud, it changed the song. The touch area is actually pretty big. That's the reason why the touch sensitiveness is actually pretty perfect, and I'm actually able to differentiate between the earbud and the touch control, like where the touch control is, because of how big it is. So it's a good thing. And I'll double tap on the left real quick to play the music. There we go, it did play. So the touch controls are actually really good, and no complaints in that area. I'll quickly take them off here, and I would definitely 100% recommend this earbuds to you guys if your price range is around 2000 to 2500 bucks or rupees. these are a good to go. 100% recommendation from my side, because they are actually that good, and I did not expect this coming from Realme, because they have a habit to under deliver the promises. But on the Realme Buds Q2, they actually do deliver what they have promised. So to recap real quick, we have 3 noise cancellation modes or 3 noise control modes, 3 sound effects, a game mode, and auto answer, and also you can customize the button settings. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the earbuds. They are actually pretty good. I'll keep the phone aside real quick. I'll bring them in here, and I do definitely recommend the earbuds or the Realme Buds Q2 to you guys if your price range is under 2500 rupees. These are a good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want me to cover any more earbuds in the future, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.